Hello, this is the demo walkthrough of the TVInfo vanilla JavaScript web app. This web app was created by Joe Christensen, myself, and Claire Logan. Um, this web app uses vanilla JavaScript and HTML5, and then it also uses CSS, and we took advantage of the Bootstrap styling library. This web app also uses JSON Server to provide some mock database functionality and persisting features. And at the core of it all, we are making use of data fetched from the um, TV Maze API. So, how TVInfo works is you are presented with a search bar and a selection to either search by TV series or actors. Um, if you search by TV series, let's search by Ted Lasso. It will bring you, using fuzzy search, a list of suggestions. Since Ted Lasso matches something exactly, that's the only one that appears. If we just searched Ted, then it would bring you a, sorry about that. If we just searched Ted, then it would bring you a whole list um, of possible suggestions. If the TV Maze data did not provide things such as um, photos or data, then we have stock photos used in its place. When you search for something, you can click on a um, search suggestion like this one, Ted Lasso, and it brings you to a more in-depth page to view this all. Um, right here, you can see it has the title Ted Lasso. It has our TVInfo rating, which is gotten by a average of all of the comment ratings on this specific um, TV show. It has a short summary gathered by the TV Maze API, it has episode list, runtime information, and the genres and runtime years. Um, if the runtime inform or if any of these informations down here is not available, then it will display a generic unavailable message there. It also has a carousel of all of the cast that you can see down here and who they play as. And then down at the bottom, it has a list of comments. So you can view other people's comments. You can also add a new comment. Um, I thought it was okay. Um, and you can give it a list of stars, the lowest being a 1 star possible, the highest being a 5 star possible. If we give it a 3 star, we have to give our name, Joe Christensen. Then we add the comment, and you can see down here let me move this. You can see down here it shows up as a comment with 3 stars, the comment, and the author. You can give comments a like or a dislike, and these persist just like the comments in our own TVInfo database using that JSON server. You can also delete comments. But first, let's see the overall rating. As you can see, the overall rating has gone down on Ted Lasso. It was previously 5 stars, and now it is down to 4 stars. That's because it took an average of all of the comments that were previously 1 comment to 5 stars to a comment to 5 stars and a comment to 3 stars. Um, you can also, you can't comment for half stars, but you can, the overall rating will take into consideration half stars. So if we put, um, it was fine by Dave, another 3 star, you can see it is 3.5 stars now because the overall rating went down. Now, you can also search by actors, and searching by actors has the same effect as searching by TV shows. If we search by Ted, it will bring up a bunch of famous actors, and if they don't have a photo available, then it will bring up the generic no photo available. Um, And if you click on an actor, it will bring you to a less in-depth profile page, but it will still have their photo and their casting credits. So their casting credits are all of the shows that they appear in. In this case, Ted Wass appears in Blossom and Soap, and these are the only two. If there were more, you could carousel them, just like before. Now, there's a nice little navigation put in place. So if you were searching for Ted Lasso and you want to find a specific actor that played here, say Jeremy Swift, you could then click directly on it and you are brought to Jeremy Swift's um, actor page. So you can see a photo of Jeremy Swift and all of his casting credits, um, which are The Smoking Room, Foyle's War, Vanity Fair, and Ted Lasso. Then you can also click back on Ted Lasso and it will bring you back to here. Or you can click on Foyle's War and it will bring you to Foyle's War. Now, this is a TV show that did not or does not have any comments on it. So when it does not have any comments on it, it will display that there's no rating data and it will give it an empty 5 stars, which means there's no rating for this specific TV show in our database. But if we were to add a comment, amazing Dave again, and give it 5 stars, then you can see it updates to have a 5-star rating. Now, you can like and dislike, just like before, but you can also delete. And if you delete, you get a little modal that pops up and asks if you are sure you want to delete this comment. And if you hit delete, then it disappears and the rating goes back to no rating data or whatever it was before that comment existed. So that is the basic functionality of the TVInfo web app. Thank you.